If you don't send some comment, I will not give you some content. I can give you a lot of comedy. I've learned this at school, at college. Ayaya, 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 ya, 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 ya. Okay. How to create content? Creating content, it all begins with a chair. If you take this chair and sit down on it, you bring a lot of ideas. All you have to do is explore those ideas so that you can bring entertainment to the people. After creating content, you should publish your content to the world so that everyone can hear. So today I have nothing to do. I'm chilling at home at the most coolest place in an orchard. You see this tree? It's a mango tree. We can eat a lot of fruits this coming festive season of December. We can eat a lot of mango, a lot of fruits. So I have nothing to do. Right now I'm doing something, creating my content. Most of you were complaining that I'm creating my content using my language, which is Shona. So I'm creating this content in English language so that all of you, I mean all of you can hear what I'm saying right now. What I'm saying is that you should subscribe to this channel, YouTube channel, and send more comments so that I will give you more content. I can sing a song for you so that you can understand. If you don't send some comment, I will not give you some content. I can give you a lot of comedy. I've learned this at school, at college. Ayaya, 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 ya, 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 ya.